As we turn 65, a disturbing fact that few people want to talk about becomes clear. The risk of dying within a year of falling and breaking a hip or thigh can be as high as 30%. This figure is not only serious but also a scary reminder of the fragility of the body as age approaches. So what makes me, and perhaps you, still determined to exercise every day, still lift weights, still move non-stop? Because if death comes, I will not wait. I will fight. Weakness in the legs is often the earliest and most dangerous sign of aging. It leads to a series of consequences: falls, loss of balance, and eventually weakness of the whole body. However, there is a good news. You can completely prevent and recover. In this article, I will share 4 extremely simple but extremely effective leg exercises recommended by Dr. Peter Attia, a leading expert on longevity, and the legendary Arnold Schwarzenegger. In particular, exercise number 4, which requires no equipment, may be the golden key to help you maintain your freedom and prolong your life. Read until the end. You will understand why these exercises are not just physical training, but can also save your life. Exercise 1, strength training. Learn from the Terminator. Arnold Schwarzenegger. Arnold Schwarzenegger is not only a great muscle icon, but also a living testament to maintaining strength into old age. Even after multiple heart surgeries, shoulder repairs, and decades of wear and tear from intense training, he still maintains a daily workout routine. His secret is not to try to lift as heavy as he did when he was younger, but to train smarter, not harder. Today, Arnold's routine focuses on machines, lighter weights, higher reps, and faster speeds. The goal is to keep the heart rate up and protect the joints. I don't train too hard anymore after my heart surgery, he shares. I was told not to lift heavy and not to do 3 reps with my heaviest weight, so I train with lighter weights and more reps. Arnold focuses on full body movements, aiming for 25 to 30 total sets in about 45 minutes, covering every major muscle group, especially the legs. The important thing to remember is strength is relative. It's not about being able to lift the same weights as you did when you were 20 or 30. It's about being able to push as hard as you can for your current strength level. Whether you're lifting dumbbells, using resistance bands, or working with machines, consistency is more important than intensity. Arnold's goal wasn't to impress anyone. It was to preserve his health, function, and freedom. That should be our goal too. Exercise. 2. Balance training, when every step is a confidence boost. Dr. Peter Attia, a leading expert on longevity, emphasizes that balance training is not only important but also essential as we age. Losing your balance is not only inconvenient but also extremely dangerous. A single fall can change everything from your independence to your overall health. But the good news is, balance is absolutely trainable. Dr. Attia focuses on training the ability to change in the lower legs, the small, often neglected muscles in the feet and ankles that play a key role in keeping you upright. He likens it to solving a problem for your legs. Think about it. When you walk on an unstable surface like a gravel road, the muscles in your lower legs are constantly adjusting to maintain balance. That's what we need to train. A simple way to start. Stand on one leg. Stand near a chair or wall for support. Lift one foot slightly off the ground and try to balance on the other leg. Keep your posture straight, knees slightly bent. Hold for 10 to 20 seconds, then switch sides. Aim for 2 to 3 sets on each leg. As you progress, try more advanced tools like a balance board or Dr. Attia's favorite blackboard, a tool that challenges foot stability in subtle yet powerful ways. Start simple, be consistent, and over time you'll feel more confident with each step you take. That confidence isn't just physical, it's confidence in enjoying an independent and active life. Exercise. 3. Jumping. The little-known secret to preventing falls. And here's the real game changer, a secret most seniors have never heard of. Jumping. Don't worry, this doesn't mean you have to jump over tall buildings. We're talking about gentle, low-impact movements that wake up your fast-twitch muscle fibers. Why is that important? because those are the same muscle fibers your body uses to steady itself when you stumble. So if you want to prevent falls, this is pure gold. Here's how to do it. No gym, no equipment needed. Low-level jump squat. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, bend your knees slightly as if you're about to sit in a chair, then push off through your feet and lift yourself just a few inches off the ground. You don't have to jump high. The key is the burst of speed on the push-off phase. That little burst of speed is what activates your fast-twitch muscle fibers. Land softly, letting your knees bend as you hit the ground. That's 1 rep. Feeling good? Add a few more. Skipping rope. Without a rope. Still too hard? No problem, start small. Try skipping rope. Just bounce gently on your toes as if you were jumping rope. Same effect, less impact. Box, step-offs. Stand on a low step or curb, step off, and land with a little bounce, as if you were balancing. Then step back up. Simple, safe, powerful. Do this 2 to 3 times a week, just for a few minutes. You'll notice better balance, quicker reactions, and a more confident, steady gait. Remember, it's not about jumping high, it's about waking up the muscles that keep you upright. That's what makes this exercise a real breakthrough in staying flexible and safe as you age. Exercise 4. Grip strength. The golden key to longevity. Sounds strange, right? But research has shown that grip strength is one of the strongest predictors of overall health and longevity. Dr. Peter Attia points out that low grip strength is associated with a higher risk of falls, frailty, and even premature death. Fortunately, grip strength training is simple and can be done almost anywhere. One of the great exercises we often recommend is dead hangs. Simply grab a pull-up bar or other sturdy overhead surface, like a door frame, relax your body and let your feet touch the ground lightly if necessary. Hold for 10 to 30 seconds, rest, and repeat for 2 to 3 sets. Focus on keeping your shoulders engaged, not hunched. Here are some other great options. Farmer's carries. Grab 2 dumbbells or grocery bags and walk slowly for 30 to 60 seconds. It may feel like you're carrying the weight of life, but you're actually building strength. Hand grippers or squeeze balls. These are great little tools to build strength in your hands and forearms. Never underestimate this exercise. Strong hands reflect a strong body, and keeping a sharp grip helps you maintain independence, safety, and self-reliance in all your daily activities, from opening a jar of jam to holding on to a steering wheel. Arnold's longevity habit. Beyond. The gym. So now you've learned 4 key exercises to keep your legs and your life strong. But to truly live a healthy, quality life into old age, we need to learn from Arnold Schwarzenegger's daily routine. It's not just what he does in the gym, but what he does every day that helps him stay flexible, sharp, and strong into his 70s. Arnold keeps things simple, but purposeful. He eats only 2 meals a day, breakfast and dinner, which helps his body stay lean and light. He shares, "I don't eat lunch because the system, digestion, just slows down and it doesn't burn calories as well as before. As he says, the system slows down, so eat less, move more." This isn't a hard-nosed recommendation, but rather a suggestion to listen to your body more as we age. Adjusting your diet to accommodate the reduced energy needs of an aging body is a key factor in maintaining your shape and metabolic health. Cycling every day. This is one of Arnold's favorite daily habits. At 77, he still cycles to the gym every morning, not only for the cardio, but also because cycling keeps his legs strong, his joints safe, and his mind sharp. Cycling works the quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves, the exact muscles that help you climb stairs, get out of a chair, and keep your balance. And unlike running, cycling is low impact, making it ideal if you have knee or joint problems. Arnold uses cycling for more than just a workout, but also part of his daily routine, integrating movement into every aspect of his life. Bike to lunch, go on a date, go to the gym, just bike. It's simple, sustainable, and incredibly effective at moving your legs and your life forward, he says. This habit represents a philosophy of life, finding easy ways to move, making movement an integral part of life. Lift weights every day. Even if it's just 45 minutes, Arnold never skips a workout.
I'm going to train until I die, he says. That's how I fight death. That's how I survive. Training is part of my life. It's that simple. Nothing changes until I die. It's not just about muscles anymore. It's about keeping
the fire burning, physically, mentally, and emotionally. And that's a lesson we can all learn. Consistency, no matter the intensity, is the key to maintaining function and quality of life. It's not just about prolonging life, it's about ensuring that your later years are lived fully, actively, and independently. In short, live independently, live fully. Leg strength isn't just about walking or standing, it's about preserving your independence, mobility, and quality of life. Whether you're 60, 70, or 80, trust me, it's never too late to start. Every step, every lift, every balance is a priceless investment in your future. Think of movement as your most valuable medicine. You start small, be persistent, and remember, you don't train to look good, you train to live your best life so that every day is a day to live, to experience, to enjoy. If this article has brought you useful information and new inspiration, don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on more interesting content about health and longevity. And leave a comment below. Let us know which exercise you will start today. Let's make a change together. Thanks you for listening and accompanying us. See you again in the next shares about the journey of living healthy, living fully.